How to create an LLC for woodworking. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Whether you're building custom furniture, selling cutting boards on Etsy, or running a full wood shop, turning your woodworking passion into a real business is exciting, but risky if you stay unregistered. That's where an LLC comes in. Forming an LLC protects your personal assets, adds professionalism to your craft, and helps you scale legally and safely. So, in this video, I'll show you how to start your woodworking business the right way by forming an LLC using Busy, which is a trusted platform that helps you create your US business for free. You only pay the state fee. So, click the link in the description to start your LLC with busy.com. They'll handle the paperwork, EIN, and even your compliance reminders so you can focus on building. But before that, the question is why woodworkers need an LLC? So basically, forming an LLC is a smart move for woodworking, such as liability protection. If someone gets injured using your product or you damage a customer's property during delivery, your personal finances are protected. Tax benefits such as deduct tools, materials, shop rent, vehicles, and even dust collection systems all through your LLC. It also offers professionalism such as a name like Timbercraft Designs LLC or something more professional followed by LLC builds trust with clients and retailers. And it also offers you growth ready platform so you want to hire help or wholesale to stores. An LLC makes scaling easier. Whether you're in it for side income or going full time, an LLC keeps things clean and legal. Now, if you wish to form your LLC with Busy, simply click on the link given in the description and you'll be redirected to the interface of Busy. So, first of all, you gotta choose your home state or the one where your shop operates, and then you gotta give your LLC a name. And also, you can select your industry of woodworking, custom furniture, etc. So every LLC needs one registered agent to receive legal mail. Busy includes a free registered agent for your first year. It saves you money and keeps your personal address private. However, if you wish to act as your own registered agent, Busy does give you an option for that too. You'll need an employer identification number to open a business bank account and get paid, also as well get file taxes. Busy gets your EIN from the IRS even if you don't have an SSN. But however, if you already have an EIN, then you can ask Busy to not obtain it for you. As of 2024, all new LLCs must file a BOI report, that is beneficial ownership information. So this includes your name, address, and government issued ID. If you wish to create that too, I have included the link in the description below. So once your LLC and EIN are ready, open a business bank account under your LLC's name. So this helps you separate business money from the personal funds and makes taxes so much easier. You can use online options like Lily, Blue Wine, or Relay, which is great for tradespeople and makers. So thousands of makers trust Billy because it offers free LLC formation with EIN and free registered agent for 1 year. So it is perfect for woodworkers, Etsy sellers, and local craftsmen. So if you wish to protect your shop and grow your brand, click the link in the description to form your woodworking LLC with Busy today. That's it for today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.